How amazing would it be if you could tell an AI your simple idea and get a Hollywood-style video perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and sell it to clients for $1,000 or more with full commercial rights? Meet RocketVideo's, the fastest, easiest way to make videos that stun right at your fingertips. Picture this. You've got a killer idea, maybe a viral TikTok ad or a YouTube story that could blow up, but every tool you try churns out boring amateur clips that scream low budget. Worse, hiring a pro drains your bank account and takes weeks. Meanwhile, your competitors are racking up views and you're stuck watching your dream fade. RocketVideo's flips that. It writes the script, casts characters, builds stunning images and videos, adds lifelike voiceovers, music, sound effects, and animated subtitles, all in over 30 languages. Imagine fairy tale stories for kids, lipstick ads for your online shop, fast business ads, workout tips for fitness fans, travel vlogs for explorers, or cooking demos for food lovers. It's platform perfect. TikTok verticals, YouTube widescreen, Instagram squares. Every frame fits just right. These aren't still shots. They're moving masterpieces with cinematic flow, pulsing effects, and smooth cuts, all crafted to match your style. And you're the director. Change the scenes, set the weather, tweak the lighting, and animate it into moving masterpieces. RocketVideo's is the most flexible yet easy video creator you'll ever see, putting you in charge without the hard work. Here's how it works. Step 1. Imagine and enter any prompt. Type your idea, and RocketVideo's starts building. Step 2. Customize your scenes and voices. Pick the look, sound, and feel you want. Step 3. Export and profit. Your video's ready to shine on any platform, fast and simple. AI storyboard to visualize your idea. Just modify the scene, generate video, add more, expand however you want. Character design engine creates consistent characters. You get complete control over age, look, ethnicity, and style to fit your story. Consistent characters stay perfect across every frame. The AI keeps their details steady so your video looks pro. Animation sequence generator builds smooth, flowing motion. It brings your story to life with no effort on your part. AI image generator makes stunning visuals for your video. Every picture matches your vision without any design work. Shot angle editor lets you pick the perfect view. Video motion engine turns still images into moving scenes. Object removal tool clears out anything you don't want. AI object find and replace swaps items in a snap. Just type what you need, and it fits your story. AI generative fill and edit fixes flaws or fills gaps. 300+ human-sounding voice actors bring your characters to life. Pick any voice, accent, or style that works. Various AI video types cover all your needs. Make stories, ads, or pitches with tools that adapt. Cinematic audio library adds music and sound effects. Visual style presets change your video's look fast. Go cartoon or cinematic with one click. It surrounds location control, tweaks lighting and weather, builds scenes that feel just right for your story. Character dialogues give your cast real voices. The AI makes them talk naturally to match your vibe. Full timeline editor puts you in charge of every second. Trim or tweak your video with no hassle. 5+ animated subtitle styles. Add moving text. Your message pops and keeps viewers hooked. Multi-format support fits every platform you use. Share anywhere with videos that work perfectly. HD export delivers your story in sharp quality. It looks amazing on any screen, ready to impress. No long hours, no hard tools, no big costs. RocketVideo's uses smart AI to create moving masterpieces. Videos that look like they're from a movie studio. It's your chance to make something big, fast, and easy. Whether it's for your page, your brand, or just to show off. As part of this founder's offer, you get RocketVideo's with an agency commercial license. This means you can create stunning videos for clients or businesses and charge a one-time or monthly premium. Think $1,000 or more per project. The possibilities are endless with this brand new AI-powered, cloud-based video creator. Now's the time to jump on RocketVideo's, joining thousands of creators and marketers already cashing in on this game changer. Scroll down and lock in your access now. Your purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and our support team is just an email away to help you succeed. But hurry, this limited-time Founders deal expires in just a few days. Act fast and secure your Rocket Videos access today. Buy now.